Good morning, everybody. Andrew here, SoCal TeslaRuns. Beautiful Saturday morning. It's pretty early. It's almost 9 a.m. I'm going to be leaving here shortly to go pick up my girlfriend, and we're going to be driving out to Alhambra, California. That's where my Tesla Run meetup is going to be. Today is our Tesla Run. I like to always meet at a Tesla Supercharger just because there's people coming from all different directions, and people need to charge up before we continue our drive. So that's just kind of what I like to do. That's my style. So yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be a beautiful day. It will be warm out, but it's going to be nice. Lots of people, lots of cars. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm on my way now to pick up my girlfriend, and we are going to head on over. We're going to get there a little early. Just want to get there early before everybody start showing up. There will be like an hour window or so for everybody to show up, so don't worry about it. You guys have enough time to show up and charge and hang out and mingle a little bit before we head on out to the next location. So stay tuned, and I'll be showing you guys everything shortly. Okay, so we are arriving at our meetup location, and if you have it plugged into your navigation, it will tell you that it's on floor number 5. So we're gonna enter here, and there's a sign here on the wall. It says Tesla EV charging on top floor, right there. So we're gonna make a left and go all the way up. So there is plenty of parking, and we are almost to the top. Lots of parking. Alright, so this is the rooftop. We are here. As soon as my camera focuses. Yep, there we go. Sweet. There's that one guy. I forgot your name, I'm sorry. So this is the Superchargers where we will be, and we are early. Look at the magnificent view of this place. I'll show you guys soon when I get out of the car. Yeah, we're here at our location number 1. My girlfriend's hiding. She's too shy for the camera. We are early, so we'll be parking here away from the hot sun. So all you got to do is go up one, make a left, and the chargers are right here. So it's gonna be a pretty awesome day. Lots of people are expected to show up. We are early. I mean, take a look at this view, guys.
And then there's this entire thing of being unable to cancel it. Oh, really?
Hot, man.
What's going on, man?
Hot.
How's it going?
loves the gravity.
Wow.
We're all gravitating towards the gravity.
What's up, man? Thank you for coming. This is sick. Wow.
Wow, that's the view. It looks like it's lower too.
So we've got a pretty massive turnout so far. Can't thank you guys enough. I mean, everybody really wanted this event. So it's been a while. I mean, just take a look at how many cars there are here. And that's a Model Y Performance, by the way. Brand new Model Y Performance. You got a Lucid Gravity, you got Cybertruck, some pretty cool decked out cars, lots of people. I mean, just take a look at how many people have shown up. This is awesome. It's on air. Wow, and they just keep rolling in. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're getting ready to head out right now. We're about 28 cars, I just counted. Lots of people, so we are gonna head out to our next stop. Okay, so we made it here to the Rose Bowl. And take a look at some of our cars. Hi, babe.
I leave at 2 in the morning. There's no goddamn rush. Right. You're the ride. Yep. All right.
I mean, check this out, guys. I think I counted what, 28 Teslas? This is pretty awesome. It's pretty sick. Awesome lineup, cars. Okay, so we left the Rose Bowl and we were about 28 cars. I want to say maybe 10 or 12 of us came to Stonefire Grill. There are a few that we saw already that left earlier from the Rose Bowl that are here at Stonefire. So we're gonna go link up with them shortly and go grab some grub.
It's a good spot that we could have actually added another table here in the bigger room.
All right, I just want to say a quick thank you to everybody that showed up today. We had an amazing and massive turnout. I counted 28 Teslas, 28 cars. We had a Lucid Gravity. We also had, we had maybe 4 or 5 Cybertrucks, and the rest were Model 3s, Model Ys, and a couple of Model S's. But overall, a very exciting day, super fun. Got to meet a lot of people, hang out with everybody, and we just wrapped up eating at Stonefire Grill. The food was amazing, great vibes, good times as always. So stay tuned for more. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like and leave a comment, and stay tuned for more. Take care, guys.